Assalamualaikum and hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Even I'm fine, alhamdulillah. Okay, so now starting the vlog from where I stopped. Like, it is Chandra today and we just now did our sehri. Look at the time, it's 6:45 and here we started applying henna to my sister's hand. Another sister is also gonna come and she'll be applying henna on this hand, inshallah. So let's just complete her henna and then we'll start with my sister's hand and then mom's hand. So yeah, let's just see how the day will be. And we also have to do a lot of work today since it's Chandrat. Afternoon everyone. So morning में सबके हाथों की henna होने के बाद I slept around 9:30, like around 10, and yeah, then we woke up around 1 and yeah, let's see how the day will be. अब बस मेरे और मामा के हाथ बाकी हैं, सो फिर आज हम henna डालेंगे घर क्लीनिंग एंड ऑल करने के बाद. क्लीनिंग तो हो गई है, बस टेरेस क्लीनिंग करना है उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह. एंड ये देखिए यहाँ पर चिंटू भाई साहब आराम फरमा रहे हैं. So guys, अभी हम जा रहे हैं टेरेस पर. Like we were already doing work, so I just came down to take this phone so that I can show you guys what are the works we are doing up here. So we started terrace cleaning. Look at that. And also in some pots soil was less, so just adding that up. These useless weeds are also out from one of my pot, and yes, they are also tying these pots up there. So yeah, almost done with that soil work too. Okay, so here we started with the stairs, and these soil stains are so tough, they are not even like getting removed even after brushing a lot. And yeah, we are done with the terrace cleaning. It's almost done. Like terrace की तो cleaning हो ही गई है. Now we are only left with stairs and entrance. So stairs I'm doing, and look at the sun. The day is really very hot and sunny today. And yeah, this sun is about to set. We have to really complete our work before iftar. And also after cleaning and stuff, we have to also clean up ourselves and then go for preparation of iftar and then yeah, open the fast, like the last fast of Ramadan. Inshallah, after Ramadan, we'll be keeping Shawwal fast too. So let's see how will it be. Okay, so we are done with terrace and stairs, guys, and this is gonna be my today's outfit. And look at that. Even after brushing with all the strength I had, these tough soil stains are not at all removed. खैर, यहाँ पर हमारा दुरूद चल रहा है आज का, और फिर मामा स्टार्टेड दिस एंट्रेंस क्लीनिंग एंड चिंटू स्टिल स्लीपिंग. है अभी हम इफ्तार प्रेप्स करेंगे एंड देन आई विल मीट यू एट आवर इफ्तार टेबल.
2000 years later.
Alhamdulillah, this is our iftar table, and today we also got iftar from one of our tuition student. So that was the plate, and today we also made this dahi vade. And with that, our Ramadan ends here, guys. We'll be really missing Ramadan till the next year, and today we entered Chandrat. Guys, we are here on terrace to see the moon, but we can't see it. खैर सैरन तो हो गया है. तो आप सबको ईद बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो.
मुबारक, अल्लाह से दे लंबी उम्र से आप लोगों को.
Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna start covering our sofas with these sofa covers. Since our sofas are new, we don't have the new sofa covers, so we are gonna try covering them with these old ones. First I'm gonna try these new sofa covers. That these were new for the old sofas.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So now let's just try these, and then if we are still in need of sofa covers, then we'll be using these pink ones. So let's just begin. Curtains are already done. And yes, alhamdulillah, I'm done with this living room, guys. Yeah, it's looking pretty. Like, I didn't know how will it look when we use both these different sofa covers, but yeah, it's looking nice. Alhamdulillah, it's looking really nice. And also I gave this bakhur just now. Even in the morning we'll be doing it, giving nice bakhur in the room so that the room is always, fragrancing whenever we come in here. And yes, just have a look.
السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر الخالق البارئ.
देखिए 9 बज गए हैं. वी आर स्टिल लेफ्ट विद द henna वर्क. दो हमने बहुत जल्दी स्टार्ट कर लिया था, बट स्टिल ये काम अभी ख़त्म हुआ ही नहीं. मामा के और मेरे हैंड्स अभी बाकी हैं. सो लेट्स सी हाउ द थिंग्स विल बी. इंशाल्लाह हो जाएगा आज के आज. सो नाउ लेट्स गो इन द किचन एंड सी व्हाट माय सिस्टर इज़ डूइंग बिकॉज शी इज़ नाउ हेल्पिंग मामा टू मेक शीरखुरमा. तो हमने शीरखुरमे का मिल्क एक दिन पहले से ही गर्म कर लेते हैं बिकॉज उसको एवेपोरेट करना होता है फिर पूरा हाफ of the quantity. So let's go and check out. So here we are roasting dry fruits for shirkhurma, and here's the milk. Here are our dates. And इधर से हैं जो फिर ड्राई फ्रूट्स रोस्ट होने के बाद फिर हम इसको रोस्ट करेंगे. Okay guys, so for tomorrow on Eid day our menu is gonna be achari chicken with parathe. And for Nana Bhai, as he doesn't eat chicken, we are having the same thing in meat. So achari meat will be there. And here our milk for shirkhurma is done. And this is tomato puree which will now go into our marination. And look at that, we are doing the same marination for both chicken and meat. साथ ही साथ में हो रहा है सब कुछ. So yes, my Didi is helping Mama. Mama is instructing her and she is doing it. We already have the achar masala. लाइक अचारी चिकन वाला जो मसाला होता है ना वो फिर है, तो उससे काम आसान हो गया, वरना वो सारा फिर से ग्राइंड करना पड़ता. देन वी हैड दिस पिज़्ज़ा एज अवर डिनर एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट रिमूविंग ऑल द रमदान डेकोर एंड एडिंग ईद डेकोर ओवर हियर. सो लेट्स बिगिन.
المصور الغفار القهار الوهاب الرزاق الفتاح الباسط الخافض الرافع المعز المذل السامي.
यानी देखिए सारे टेप्स जो रमज़ान मुबारक में यूज़ हुए थे, कितने सारे हैं ना. खैर okay, Wasim is on his way. He'll be helping us to do that decor in our entrance. And here my sister tried making this mocktail. And yeah, it was really very yum. We tried making this only one glass so that अगर ये पास हो गया तो फिर हम कल भी ईद के दिन ये बनाएंगे इंशाल्लाह. And yes, here we started decorating this entrance wall with the Eid Mubarak decor I made before, like during Ramadan in starting fast. And yes, here we are almost done decorating it. And also we made Wasim taste the mocktail and he liked it. So yeah, it's confirmed that we are going to keep it tomorrow on Eid day. In tomorrow's dessert we'll be having shirkhurma, of course. So that's our menu: shirkhurma, mocktail, achari chicken and parathe. And yes, let's just complete our decoration work and then we'll go for henna work because that's really very important now because we are not left with much time.
البصير الحكم العليم اللطيف الخبير الحليم العظيم الغفور الشكور العلي الكبير الحفيظ المقيم الحسيب الجليل الكريم.
Okay guys, so that was our Eid cake that Wasim bought. We ordered it yesterday and yeah, it is here today and that will be cutting tomorrow on Eid day inshallah. Here we started applying henna on mom's hand and look at that. We are done with her hand and अभी बहुत ज़्यादा रात हो चुकी है. Now I'm applying henna on my left hand with my right hand and then फिर मेरे left hand पर मेरी दीदी henna लगाएंगी. And here we are having our black tea. Alhamdulillah guys, done with my left hand. Like it's completely done front and back. And now my sister will be putting henna on my right hand inshallah. and then she'll have to again do her front hand from her right hand to the left. So let's just see how will things go, because it's already 3:06 right now, and we also have to sleep nicely and wake up in Fajr, and I don't think so we'll be sleeping till Fajr now. Mama and my elder sister are already asleep, and now let's see how the things will go. My sister, me and Nanaba are still awake.
الرقيب المجيب الواسع يا الله جلال جلال يا الله جلال جلال يا الله جلال.
Eid outfit, everyone. Pretty cotton orange dress. Like, it's the first time when I'm wearing orange dress on Eid. So yeah, this is how it looks. Pretty. These are the pretty earrings I wore.
يا الله جلال جلال الحكيم الودود المجيد الباعث الشهيد الحق الوكيل القوي المتين.
Okay friends, so here we started packing the gift that we bought for tuition kids to give them as their Eid. This is the gift cover. Isn't it pretty? Unicorn gift covers. And these are the gifts that we are gonna give them. These are the zippers, which are in really very nice colors. I really loved all the colors they are in. They are all pastel colors, and these are double walled thermosteel bottles. It has pretty glass wall inside it, so which is nice. And here I'm showing one to you guys. Mom is showing you. See, this is nice pastel green color. And yeah, सारे bottles ऐसे हैं, बस अलग अलग pastel colors में. So let's just start packing them. And they are glass bottles. Look at that from inside. Okay, so now let's start packing them. And then today tuition kids will be coming to meet us. Then we'll be giving it to them. And we'll be also cutting cake with them only. So let's start with this packing. All the zippers that we have bought are here. अब जो भी मिलने आएंगे ट्यूशन किड्स उनको हम आज दे देंगे, बट जिसके घर दूर है वो नहीं आज आ पाएंगे, तो फिर हम उनको ट्यूशन डे के दिन दे देंगे, जो इंशाल्लाह ईद के थर्ड डे रेज्यूम हो जाएगा. एंड हियर इज़ द मॉकटेल दैट माय सिस्टर मेड. गेट दैट, माशाल्लाह. Today we also added the fruits we had in it, and it is tasting more yum today and also looking nice. Okay, so now it's time for us to have today's dessert that we didn't had after having our today's Eid meal. So here is our shir khurma, mashallah. Look at that. That yellow colored milk is very much important in shir khurma. Then only it tastes good. So कल ये इतना बॉईल करना का नतीजा था ये शीर खुरमा, जो इतना अच्छा कलर आया और इतना अच्छा यम टेस्ट था ना इसका. सो अभी ये नाना भाई अपने लिए बाउल में डाल रहे हैं, फिर हम भी खाएंगे. Okay, so I don't like dates in shir khurma, but yeah, my nana likes it, so we added in it. Even my sister and mom also eat dates in shir khurma. We just ate our shir khurma, and my cousins and aunt also came to our house to meet and greet us on Eid day. So here we are all having shir khurma. Hi, say hi to my brother. Okay, so yes, we are almost done packing these gifts. My cousin is also having shir khurma, and that's my aunt. And yes, let's just pack them fast and keep them aside. See how pretty that cover is. I'm really liking this cover. खैर, अब फिर हम ये गिफ्ट लेकर जाकर अंदर रख देंगे. एंड देन नाउ लेट अस ऑल ड्रिंक आवर मॉकटेल. ये देखें, हमने ऑरेंज फ्लेवर में बनाया है इसको. यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई इट विद दैट नॉर्मल क्लियर सोडा, बट या वी डोंट लाइक दैट बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. And here mama is giving Eidi to them. Even we got the Eidi from our aunt. And yeah, look at that guys. We sighted Shawwal ka moon here. How pretty and crescent moon it is. Mashallah. So wishing you all a very happy Shawwal now. So इंशाल्लाह शवाल के रोज़े भी रहना है, क्योंकि शवाल के रोज़े जब हम ईद के रोज़ों के बाद रहते हैं तो उसकी फजीलत बहुत ज़्यादा है. हमको पूरे 1 साल रोज़े रहने का सवाब मिलता है. तो फिर इंशाल्लाह इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी हम कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं, तो फिर रहेंगे ज़रूर. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट वी गॉट दिस ट्रीट फ्रॉम माई आंट. pani puri treat on Eid day. Like seriously, we ate pani puri on Eid day. So here we are all having this pani puri. And then उसके बाद हमारे ट्यूशन किड्स भी आ गए थे, तो फिर हम उनका फ़ोटो सेशन कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. एंड देन विल बी कटिंग केक, एंड फिर हम सब मिलकर केक खाएंगे. and then let's see how the remaining day will be.
الولي المبدئ المعيد المحيي المميت الحي القيوم الواجد الماجد الواحد الأحد الصمد القادر المقتدر المقدم المؤخر الأول الآخر الظاهر الباطن الوالي والمتعال البر التواب المنتقم العفو الرؤوف مالك الملك ذو الجلال والإكرام يا الله جلال جلال يا الله جلال جلال يا الله جلال جلال يا الله جلال جلال المقسط الجامع الغني المغني المانع الضار النافع.
Done giving them their gifts, and here we are just chilling around, and I just heard the doorbell. So other kids who weren't able to come at that time came now, so we gave them the cake and then their gifts here. And yeah, they were very happy seeing their gifts, and I really like giving gifts and taking gifts, so I was also excited while giving gifts to everyone. So they also bought their other siblings, so to them we gave these chocolates. And here finally I'm showing you my Eidi that mama gave to us, and in this Eidi box I got this letter from mama. Since I'm not good at Urdu, my mama read that letter for me. And here's the real Eidi, like cash. And the cutest thing was this prettiest silver bow locket along with a silver bracelet, like bow bracelet. This was so cute. We really liked it, me and my sisters. We all got this same gift, and see how cute and pretty it is, isn't it? So yeah, mashallah, it's really very nice. And with that pretty gift, I end my Eid 2025 vlog here, guys. I hope you all like watching it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update from my channel. Share my videos with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to remember me and my family in your prayers. Till I upload another vlog, take care and Allah Hafiz. Eid Mubarak again to all of you there. So guys, on second day of Eid, Anno Ayu with their parents came to meet us. See how cute they are looking in these Indian dresses. They don't usually wear these kind of dresses, that's why they are looking much more cuter today. आते ही इनका खेलना शुरू हो गया था. See how cute they are looking. खैर, अभी आप ये आज का vlog end करते हैं. इंशाल्लाह meet you in the next vlog.
النور الهادي البديع الباقي الوارث الرشيد